This is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Suzuki SX4 stock number 7380. It's ran from the 1st 2010 to the 1st 2014. This is a J20B 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a J20B 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front aftermarket 16-inch wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front and right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter. Inner AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.